Hey everyone, friends, welcome to Calavar. Today I'll show you how to install Minecraft mods on your phone. Here's Minecraft. Go into Google or any browser really and type mods for Minecraft Bedrock. Go on any site, pick any mod you want. Alright, then open it. That'll take you to the download. Click and download the mod. Then in your downloads, you'll find the mod there. Open it. If Minecraft isn't listed, rename the file to end with quote.mcadden. Click OK and open it. And here you'll select Minecraft and that's it. That's all from me. See you everyone.